Good morning, everyone. It's April the 26th, 2020. It is now 6:54. And this is going to be your morning earthquake report. All right. I hope you're all having a great start to your day. Let me go ahead and get started with these. There was a 4.2 UNIMAK Island, Alaska. USGS has got it 73 miles southeast of UTCLocation, Alaska, 22 miles in depth. Now, EMSC had the same thing, same depth. They just had it 1 mile away from Yucatan, Alaska. So I put them both in, EMSC and USGS agreed on this one, so you just got USGS. There was a 4.6 Eastern New Guinea region, Papua New Guinea. They have it 6 miles southeast. I haven't heard this one before, guys. So FINSCHHAFEN, Papua New Guinea. I'm going to look it up. Green, normal, dormant volcano. 26 miles in depth. Now, there was a 3.0 Tropicachilli at 32.9 miles in depth. A 4.4 Indonesia. They've got it 64 miles northeast of Kendari, Kendari, at 9 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 according to the USGS. We got a discrepancy here, okay? USGS said there was a 4.6 Fiji Islands region, 140 miles northeast of NDOI at 383 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 4.9 Fiji Island region. They've got it 234 miles northwest of NUKU at 378.4 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. There was a 4.0 Skinkim SIKKIM India at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.3 off the coast of Costa Rica. They've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Tropicachilli, and they've got it at 31.0 miles in depth. A 3.9 Coral Islands region, east of Coral Islands. 127 miles southeast of Serbia-Kurelsk at 37.2 miles in depth. Excuse me, guys. I haven't taken my asthma medicine this morning. I apologize. There was a 3.2 Antofagasta, Chile at 53.4 miles in depth. Good morning, Pete. How are you, sweetie? There was a 3.5 Ecuador at 3.1 miles in depth. A 3.7 Tropicachilli at 52.8 miles in depth. Another 3.4 Tropicachilli at 63.3 miles in depth. Good morning, sweetie. How are you, Amelia? Okay. There was a 3.6 near the coast of Ecuador at 1.2 miles in depth. Now, guys, I've gotten a couple of texts from my subscribers. Thanks for the heads up on that, guys. And this happened yesterday. I was working in the back, getting help with the fence and stuff with those guys. They're totally awesome, by the way. Yesterday, there was a 2.9, okay, in Ohio. All right? They had it 1.2 miles northeast of Portsmouth, Ohio. So, oh, I know, it's raining out there too. So they had it at 18.0 miles in depth, USGS did. EMSC had it at 2.8 Ohio. They had it 2 miles south of Rosemont, Ohio, at 9.9 miles in depth. I got both links in there for you. And another one was in a weird place yesterday, and I got somebody from Illinois who texted me a message, and I said I'd look into it. So there was a 2.8 Illinois, according to the USGS, 6 miles southwest of Cairo, Illinois, at 3.2 miles in depth. Now, USGS, EMSC has it as a 2.8. Southeastern Missouri, they've got it 6 miles south of Cairo at 2.4 miles in depth. So if you felt them, that's what you felt if you were in that area. And like I promised, I told you I would get them up when I texted you back. So there you go. All right. There were a bunch of small earthquakes again last night, and I will put that up in the comment section for you. Let me just show you a slight little peek. Go over them, and then I'll let you go. I've got to fix Thomas's breakfast. The contractor's coming back today. Okay, a 2.5 O'Higgins, Chile, a 2.2 Central California, a 2.9 Puerto Rico, a 2.4 Puerto Rico. See, these are a bunch of twos going on. All right. Let me go down one more. A 2.6 Puerto Rico. I put the Tropic of Chile in there because those are 3 and above. A 2.0 Hawaii. All right. I'm putting all those little links in there for you. I promised. And that I will keep doing until things slow down in those areas. You guys are totally awesome. All right. I'm sending you guys much love. Okay. You're my family. Sorry about yesterday, but the fence looks great and secure. We had a windstorm last night. It didn't move an inch. Not 1 inch. I thank God for that one. All right, guys. I am sending you guys much love. 2 thumbs up and big hugs. Pete, thank you so much for coming in. Amelia, thank you so much for coming in, sweetie. You're new to the channel, so welcome. Welcome to the YouTube family. All right, so let me copy these links. Copy. Put them into YouTube for you. And did you guys notice when I did the 30-second video about the fence in the back, it went up the same day, almost immediately. And my earthquake reports are being held back for 12 to 24 hours. All right? Sorry about that, but I'm giving them to you in 2 places, okay? 2 places my earthquake reports go into. They go on my main page, and they go into the community section. So if you're catching this video and when I post it, it doesn't show up anywhere else. I'm just checking to make sure everything was there, guys. It is paste. And save it. Now let me go get the links for the other earthquakes and get those up here for you for the smaller ones. Yes, keep coming. I know. Copy. Thank you. Now I'm going to be quiet for 1 second, and that's hard for me to do because I love to talk and give earthquake reports. I'm going to put this in there also. It will be all the links for smaller earthquakes. All right. So I'm going to be quiet now. All right, guys, they're now pinned in the comment section. Whoever gave the thumbs up, thank you. I appreciate it. I really do. All right, guys. You have yourself a great day. I'll be back at noon with a new report. Anything major comes along, I will be doing it live. I've just got to see what the contractor wants today when he comes back at 9 o'clock. He texted me and said maybe he forgot something. I didn't go back and look. We'll see. 2 thumbs up for you guys. Have a great day. Sending much love. God bless each and every one. Please be safe. And run between the raindrops. Another day of rain again. Have a great one, guys. Thank you, Pete. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amelia. Thank you.